Hello everyone. Today I will walk you through the process of ordering Corne PCB from JLC PCB website. As a result, one pair of Corne PCB will cost about $10. If you order more, then the shipping cost will be lower, and maybe it can be even lower. Okay, as a comparison, let me see, where is the website? You can buy Corne PCBs or those PCB kit, say from littlekeyboards.com. The one I got from ordered is this one, so it's like $10. So you kind of save half the money. I didn't really order the other ones, but I assume it will be about the same cost. Then you will save a little bit more. Okay. I actually ordered it 2 weeks ago, and it is manufactured in China, and they shipped it maybe from airplane, and I got it today. I can show you how it looks like. So it's a little square box. Just a box, and if you open it up, it's very well padded. Then that's the PCB. So at the time when I ordered it, it says 5 pieces, but I wasn't sure whether it's 5 pairs or only like 5 single pieces. It turns out it's 5 single pieces. So I might need to order some more in the future. And I haven't tested yet. I will make another pair and see how it goes. Visually they looks pretty nice. And when you make the order, you can also choose what color you want to use. And I happen to choose the yellow one. So you can keep track of which batch you ordered from the color. Yeah, they look pretty nice. Nothing unusual. Some of those letters were not very clear, but it's probably fine. Okay, another little thing that happens during my order is let me show you. So at the very beginning, it actually shows the cost is like $8.70, and then after a few days, they told me there are so many holes on this board, and they need to charge extra milling fees, which is $7.50. So overall, the cost is $19.20, and then there are extra charge for the shipping. So overall, it's a little over $25, and it's 2.5 Corne keyboard PCB. So it's like $10 each. I will walk you through this process later on. Okay, so overall, you know, the PCB designs are open source by Fusten, and then the process is like you first get the design files in the CAD, and then you go in there, make the Gerber files, which will contain a few files. You need to like include them and make a zip file, then upload it to JLC PCB, and then make a few choices. There are very little choices you need to make, and then just make the order. Okay, now let me walk you through this process. Okay, first you need to go here. That is his Git repo for the Corne PCB. So it is called KBD. You can either Google or just Google Corne PCB GitHub. You will find it. So there are a few designs you can use. For example, let's say Corne Light, and then there will be a PCB folder, and then there are PCB design files here, and they are designed in this KICAD software. So you will have to, that one is an open source software, so you will also have to install that. Okay, so here I already cloned the repo. So you can see there are a few designs. The one I made is actually Corne Classic, and that one you need to solder everything. I think for the cherry it is actually hot swap. Let me just try to make a new Gerber for this one. Maybe I will order this one next time. So you will go to the PCB file. Yeah, so there are a bunch of them. So then let's open the KICAD. So I already have this. This is the classic open here. So this one is classic. Let's go to light PCB. I don't really know how to use the KICAD. All I know is how to process or the Gerber file. I got this working with the help from people on the Discord channel. Yeah. So after you open the project file, you double click on this PCB file, then it will show the drawings. Oh, I think maybe this one will print both in the same time, because when I open the classic, it only shows one of them. Oh, I think it might be because for the classic you can use the same PCB for both left hand and right hand. Maybe this one you can only use it for the left and the right are different on the hardware. Okay, now we need to generate a Gerber file. Fabrication output. I think it might be this one. Yeah, this looks familiar. I think we just say plot and then generate drill file. So at the time I also didn't generate a drill file, and they actually told the JCL PCB website, they actually tell me they have some like validation step. They actually tell me it's missing the drill file. Now let's just try this light. And this SVG, let's make a zip file. Okay, let's go to the JLC PCB. Let's use a new browser. So you can immediately create one without signing up, just to see the quote. Okay. Not the classic. Let's go to the light PCB and this SVG we just created. And I remember it will just give you a quote immediately. Yeah, I think this is just that SVG is okay. Previously I have some other format. Maybe it's just different designs.